You must have used the lot of break and retest strategies and they have never worked for you. So this is the one of the best indicator that I have developed if you are a break and the retest trader. So the name of the indicator is liquidity scalper, and if you want to get the assess lifetime assess of this indicator, you can contact through Telegram or you can contact through email. The links are in the description. Okay, now this indicator is measuring a lot of concepts, and it consists of the levels. As we all know that the market moves in the form of stairs, and this indicator will guide you stair to stair, and you will see, okay, the amazing results with that indicator. Okay, first of all, you can see there are different colors that are used in the indicator. So there is no difference, like we cannot say that yellow is for buy and the blue is for sell. No, this is not the concept. Basically, you will treat that full zone as a full zone, no matter it's yellow or blue or a mix of combination. So basically you will use this indicator completely in a perfect way. Okay, what is the strategy? Basically it's using the liquidity concepts and many other factors. Like for example, you can see that the market has taken the liquidity and we have the yellow zone here. You can see the rejection exactly from that level. Okay, now if we just look at this trade, so first of all the market break that level. I'm just going to point this thing with the arrow. You can see the market break that level, the market retested that level. So what you will do, you will do nothing when the market is just retesting the level. You will wait for a bullish candle. Now you can see you have received a bullish candle on the 5 minute. Now go for the buy trade. And where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be in between the two levels like this. Okay, not too close like this, it should be in between the two levels. So if you are a scalper and you are looking to make money in a easy way, then this indicator is for you. Okay, and this works on exactly on the break and retest. You can see it has a break retested, you got a scalping chance. Okay, and then you can see the market was retesting here, then breaks. I can show you many other time frames like this. Okay, but when the levels are too close, so just avoid those levels. So for example, that was the break. Now the market comes to for a retest, but you have not received a bearish candle from here, and the candle closes below. Now just look at the next candle. It retested with a small wick, and now your stop loss will be in between the upper two levels, and you can see the price went down. So this indicator gives a lot of trading opportunities to everyone. Okay, so for example, now if we talk about that full zone, what the market is going, the market is actually going into the downward side. Even you can confirm this thing by making a trend line. Okay, now guys, if you just imagine that if you have this indicator on your screen, what happened? The market breaks, retested, went down, breaks, retested, went down, breaks, retested, went down, and even breaks below, retested and went down. So this indicator is a complete beauty, and you can see here it breaks, retested up. Okay, yes, some retest will get failed, but if you are a good trader, you can definitely handle this indicator very well. You can see break, retested, time to go up. And I have seen with this indicator that it works from level to level, mostly level to level. I can show you, even let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Okay, now you can see break, retest failed. Okay, now retested with a wick, look and see. Okay, so no other indicator will provide you that accuracy. Now you can see it is going up from the yellow level. So this indicator works very very smart, you can see, and the levels never repaint. There is no repainting problem in that indicator, because the other will simply repaint. You know very well about the repainting in the market. Okay, now just look at this retest failed and retested, and then you can see it bearish. Okay, breaks, retested, you can see bearish. So nothing can be easy more than this. And even if you want to trade it on 1 minute, definitely you can see the price retested, went down, retested, went down, retested, went down, retested, went down. So this is the best indicator that we are giving to our subscribers. And you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. You can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are in the description. Thank you very much.